Hello, guys. Where do we go today? Yes, here we are today at Every Collection. What is Every Collection? Every Collection is a digital services provided by Article Freelance Ventures. So now, when you come to this our store, you'll be able to see all our product. Currently, we have 6 product at Every Collection. We have the product like number one, we have customized course folder, TMA. We have final year project, NECO result, article, that's NECO result check on articles, and then now portal review. If you want to know about us, you just click on about us sections and you'll be able to see all our details, phone number and email. So now if you want to add a product to your bag, what is a bag? A bag is just like a physical container when you go to a physical store to pick your product and put it inside it to visit cashier and go and pay. So now we have a digital bag for you, and the digital bag is at the right hand side of the screen out there. You can locate it right down there. Now currently our bag is empty. So now they are telling that your bag is empty, that you have to keep shopping. You have to keep shopping so that you'll be able to add something to your bag. When you go around and you can search of any of our product. Is it you want to search for TMA? You can have search out right there, searching product for you. If there is none, they will tell you that there is none. We have a TMA for you, or you can search for article. When you search for article, you'll be able to see it, and then it starts to begin and to come right there. Yes, we are here. We are. So now we have article for you. If you want to buy our article, you will check out there, check the descriptions, everything, and the title of the article that is inside this store right now is called All You Need to Know About Now Examination. This is a very fantastic article. Now you'll be able to see how to purchase and add to your bag. Before you purchase, before you buy, you have to add to your bag. Just like when you visit a physical store, you have to carry the things you want to buy, put it inside the basket, and then come to the cashier so they can pay. Now we're going to put one item into our bags so that we can go and pay right now. So now before then you when you check very well, you will see that one file is included. And what is that file? That file is the article. So when you click on the file, you'll be able to see the title, and then you say, okay, yes, you're buying it. If it is a PDF version, you'll be able to see it. How many pages? Currently, this article is 21 pages, including the cover page. So now you can see the weight. That's 593.34 KB. That's kilobyte. And then you'll be able to say, okay, how many you want to buy? I mean, just you want to buy two, three? Yes, you cannot buy our article, you alone. You cannot buy two. It's only limited to one person, one article, so that it will reach everybody. So now, at your back, and your back, you have it out there. That you check out the details so they can be able to. If you're buying for someone, you can click as a gift. Yes, it's a gift. You write the name of the person. But if you're not buying as a gift, just leave it blank and just put your name, email, phone number, and then you control all your payment. Thank you and God bless you. I know you're going to visit every collection one day. Just like that, you'll be able to see everything at your fingertips. You can buy it in the night, you can buy it every time. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Welcome. No, we have to empty our bag so that we can go away, or we can leave the store. Yes, everything you are carrying it, put it back before you go. So now we have put our articles back and we're gonna. Thank you. Thank you.